Are your photos on social media falling flat as a pancake? Okay, wait, hold up. I don't even know if that's a phrase. Let's try this again and not be awkward. Are your posts barely getting engagement? You know, your content is packed with value, but your images aren't even getting your mom to stop scrolling and double tap on your photo? And comments? Yeah, you could forget about it. Well, I am here to tell you that you are in the right place. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to plan and execute your own photo shoot so that you can create content that not only people will stop scrolling right there, but start double tapping and saving your photos, which is actually one of the most important things a follower can do presently in the Instagram algorithm, is when they're saving it. Okay, at the end of this video, you are going to know how to plan your own photo shoot, and if you want to share your high converting images right away, I'll also be giving away a free social media planning guide. Let's start off with choosing a few outfits. Make sure you think, who do you want to come across as in these pictures? So here are some options. A casual outfit. So think of like a Sunday morning on my way to church or Sunday morning on my way to brunch. Another could be like a workout outfit or something very casual. Now, an outfit I'd wear on a dinner date with JD, right? So I'm thinking about how I want these photos to parlay a very lifestyle like vibe. Like an outfit that I would wear to a public speaking event. So I'm thinking about all the ways that I would use photos from a single photo shoot. So think about all the different sides to you. Even if you're just thinking, yeah, but Jasmine, I sit in my PJs on Sundays with my dog and watching Netflix. Oh, friend. Do you know how many people do that on Sundays? That's actually a good thing. So posting the real you will create relatability, which will then spark conversation and create opportunities for relationships. Let's get into our second tip, and that is to select props for your photo shoot. This is a big one. So just in case you're not a professional model, I have discovered that using props in a photo shoot help keep the photos looking natural, right? Because you're like, what do I do with my hands? I want you to think about props that are related to your business that give like a lifestyle spin to your photo shoot. So to get your mind going about what to bring, here's a few ideas. A laptop, a cell phone, notebooks, a calendar, a cup of coffee, or whatever your favorite drink is, pen, pencils, props that really show off your personality, like a bouquet of flowers or the tools of your trade. Like, what do you do to create your magic? Is that a paintbrush? Is that a camera? Is that a dog leash? Now let's get into the third step, to create a mood board on Pinterest or Canva. Now I have to tell you, this is so helpful, and you're hearing this two ways, from a photographer and from somebody who has been photographed. In order to convey the type of vibe, the type of editing, the type of feel to your photo shoot, a Pinterest board or a Canva board is super helpful. So I want you to add the following things to your mood boards to help your shoot go seamlessly. So you're gonna wanna scout out a few different locations. You want ideas of different shots or poses that you want. Within the first few minutes of your shoot, you might get stuck when it comes to like posing your body, but nothing helps more than looking to other poses for inspiration, so be sure to add that to your board. Now, oftentimes I will have like a Pinterest app open during a shoot so I can quickly kind of scroll through 3 or 4 poses that I can memorize to speed up the process of the photos that I need. And this also helps the photographer too, because the photographer can look at your mood board and be like, oh, this is what he's going for. Oh, this is what she's going for. Now let's get into tip number 4, and that's going to be to check out your favorite Instagrammers' accounts for inspiration and try creating various collections. Like, you're gonna save these photos on Instagram so that you can get different shoot ideas. You can actually save photos within Instagram by tapping on the flag icon under the right corner of the post. This makes keeping your posing inspiration just a click away on Instagram. Now it's time to choose a photographer, my favorite part. Okay, so this is where the real fun begins. I do most of my searches on Instagram. I search a hashtag local to where the photo shoot will take place. So for instance, I'd search Los Angeles photographer, Los Angeles photography, or LA photographer, LA photography. All of those are hashtags. I'd look through the photos and select photographers whose style I like, and then I would send them a direct message asking for their rates. Or if you're on a budget, send them a message letting them know how much you're willing to invest in a shoot, and if they're unwilling to accept the offer, perhaps they can recommend somebody to you who has a similar style and who fits in your budget. I also need to take a second and remind you that you do not need a professional photographer for every photo you post. I'm a big fan of it, but not 100% of my photos on Instagram come from a professional photographer. I do a lot on my iPhone. It's very common for me to use the portrait mode on my iPhone, and I've always believed that the best camera that you have is the one that is on you. So I want you to use your phone. I want you to find natural, soft light, like standing in front of a window or a door. Beautiful. And then you can use a self-timer to snap a photo on the go. I do it all the time. I set up my iPhone, I press the timer, I back up, I take a photo. The timer on an iPhone ranges anywhere from 3 seconds to 10 seconds. Now, if you have an Android, you can download an app for a timer and it works the exact same way. The final step is to create a plan to use your photos. Now, I know this seems like really obvious, but I can't tell you how often I have seen people have branding photo shoots for their business, post a few photos, and then let the rest of them, I'm talking about 98% of them, collect dust. In fact, I hear from photographers all the time and they're saying, I'm literally begging clients to post their photos. But sometimes business owners just don't know how to post photos. And the plan should be simple. I would love for you to post 2 to 3 photos from the photo shoot per week to infuse your personality on your account and get followers excited to know you more. Now, some people might be like, 2 to 3, that's so many. Test it, and then let's have a conversation. Don't have an opinion without testing it. Okay, so friend, I hope that you are super hyped to plan your photo shoot. I can't wait to see how you use these photos to create a brand extension for you on social media. Now, don't forget, if you would like to learn more about how you can use your photos from your photo shoot as part of a social media plan, you can download my free social media planning guide and idea generator at jasminestar.com/social media plan.